My name is Martin Lunkenbein. I'm in charge of customer service and aftermarket sales at CAMSO. Well, as with every show or every Farm Progress show we come to, we have something new, something interesting to show the end users and our dealers and distributors. And what we want to talk about this year is our CAMSO certified remanufactured tracks and products. And that fits right into our strategy of products with multiple lives. So what we're looking for is products that we can have that you can use several times. Like the first thing we want to bring to the market is we're talking about here, our tracks and wheels. So our tracks, when you wear them out, the treads are done, we can take them back for you and remanufacture them, put new treads on them. So there's a couple of ways you can get them. You can get them as a product, just ask for a remanufactured product, or we could do it as a service, where you bring us your core, we'll rework it, we'll put on some new tread bars, and then you can get it back. So what it is we're going to be putting the same material on that you had originally for the tread bars. So being the manufacturer, the original manufacturer of the track, we know what materials were in that track. We know the chemistry, we know what's required for it to be compatible. So then in our process with the materials we know about, it's all compatible, we get a high performance product again, and the material that gets on there has the same wear life as the original material had when you bought the CAMSO track the first time. What we also have to offer you is remanufactured wheels. So the wheels, we'll again remanufacture them with the original material. So we'll take the cores back, clean them up, put on the original material, so you'll go back to the original performance that you had the first time you bought that wheel from CAMSO. In both cases, the introduction is on its way. So in the wheels, we'll be having the first wheels available by October 1st. We'll start to introduce them, and it'll be a gradual introduction from October 1st all the way to the first quarter of 2018, by which we'll have the full product offering available to the market. And in the case of the tracks, if I go back to the track product I talked about here that you can see, we're going to be starting that program in the first quarter of 2018. We're gathering together the cores now, and we'll start in 2018. So keep an eye out on our Facebook page and our website, letting you know what tracks are available when. And as we go forward, we'll give you news. You can start getting ready for that when you're thinking about your next track purchase. Keep that in mind. So we already have the broadest track offer in the market. We have the really premium tracks, the middle of the road tracks, extreme applications, standard applications, standard ag applications. And with this, what we're finding, we're making our offer, we're broadening it yet again for any opportunity or any kind of situation people have in their track replacement. So typically, track life and the mid-road life is about at least a 20% cost savings on buying a brand new product. So it's, again, depending on what you can afford, what you want to be doing. Typically, people will start out with these tracks on their most severe applications, get them remanufactured, and then can bring them into standard ag applications and still get maybe the same amount of hours they had before previously. They can get again because the tread bars are made of the same material as you had originally, so those same wear properties that we had in the first place. And for the wheels, it's roughly the same calculation as well. It's about a 20% cost saving compared to buying a new one. So, and of course, they'll be competitively priced in the market for equivalent products. And that way, we're once again providing the lowest operating cost that we want. And that's our target with all the products we offer in the market. We want to make sure it fits into the grower's business plan, and it's allowing him to have access to some tools that help him do his job better. They can go back through the regular channels of getting the tracks through their dealer or through our distribution network. As well, what we've done, we've set up a customer service line on our website. You can find number, it's 1-844-CAMSO-AG, and you can call there, ask for the CAMSO certified remanufactured track or wheels program, and we'll set you up. We'll tell you exactly how to get the hold of the product and make sure they get to you in a timely fashion. CAMSO.co, of course.
This video is brought to you by Farms.com.